Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, did the government of Meghalaya has any intention to create more CHC in the state?
Sir, a list of 118 proposals from various honorable members of the House and other quarters have been received by our department, and we have tasked our officials to look into these proposals and rationalize all of these proposals. And yes, we also have to consider certain weightages for all of these proposals. Firstly, we have to look at the population distribution, then we have to look at the geographical location, the accessibility. We have to look also at the IPD and the OPD caseloads. Then we have to also look at the institutional delivery situations, etc. So we are also looking at various sources for resource. We are also looking at the various missions of the state as well as the center. We're looking at financing from the 15th Finance Commission, and we are also exploring all possible sources for resources to ensure that we provide the best health services in the state of Meghalaya. We are also guided by the Indian Penal Health Standards. We are aware of the norms and requirements for upgradation of various facilities. We are now looking at health wellness centers. So it's very, very complicated for us to commit that we will upgrade CHC to a PHC to a CHC, but then when questions in the floor of the House come and say, why are you not conforming to the norms? Why are there no specialists? Then it becomes a complicated matter. However, the intention of the department is to work hard to provide the best facilities, and I will assure all members of this august House, conform to the norms, bring up your proposals, we will study these proposals, we will justify any intervention made, and we will make sure that 5 years down the line, we will improve our services to the furthest extent possible.
Speaker, sir, one more supplementary question.
Yes.
Since the application had been submitted to the concerned department, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge that the upgradation of existing of Mawhati PHC to CHC is there or not in the list of the Health Department?
Honorable Speaker, sir, since that is a completely new identification of a particular PHC, I would require notice in case I miss the point and make wrong commitments on the floor of the House.
Sir, for the information of our Honorable Minister in charge, I just want to inform you that the application submitted to the concerned department in the past few years